Sorry I've been silent. I was just doing a few errands that are really not work related. So right now I'm on my way to work, and then let the fun. So this is our studio. Hi Sally, say hi to the Rudorwedu snappers. This is Sally, one of our makeup artists. Guess who's just come to the studio? Alex, you say hi to the snappers of Rudorwedu.
Hi, Rudorwedu snappers. One of my snappers.
Basically just powdered Alexia's face for a photo shoot that he has this afternoon, and then a gig that he has later on. About your day today?
Well, I'm here now at Podabychipo. I'm looking for some show. So tonight I have a show with Victor Kunonga, Bar Rouge, and I hope to see you guys just come and have fun, and see me looking good.
Clients' eyebrows have been threaded and neatly filled in. Now we're gonna go on to her eye colors. So if you've got any questions about eyebrows, please feel free to ask any questions you have about makeup. So now we're gonna do her eye colors. My favorite eye colors are definitely the Morphe eye colors. Why? Because they've got like nice pigment. So this is the palette I'm gonna be using. Guys, we've just received new stock, so we're just trying to pick everything that we've received, and then we'll get back to our lesson. So now I'm just brushing off the yellow powder that we put under her eyes. Look up.
Hi, this is TNG. I'm at Podabychipo, getting ready for the Mayor's Cheer Fund tonight. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Jackie. I've just been rolled up by Chipo at Podabychipo.
Just been Podabychipo. Isn't this lovely? Weekend, here we come. Tarirone Gitari in the building.
So Mama has been brought to Poda by her daughter for her 60th birthday. Can you believe it? 60th birthday. I can't wait to transform her. Co-host and I are on our way to do a job. The co-host is the Lash King, so you guys should know who he is. I'll reveal him. Hi guys, so now this is when my day is ending. Today was a very hectic day. 90% of the makeovers were not even, 90% of the makeovers today were just, walk-in clients going to Miss Tourism. I'm gonna get home in the next 10 minutes. I hope you have questions for me that I'll have to answer. It was absolutely amazing hanging out with you guys. I'll send my pictures soon. Hi guys, Chipo here. So the day has come to an end. I really hope that you learned one or two things about makeup. To all the 2017 brides to be, bookings are already taking place. You can call us on 0772 999 398. Follow me on social media. You will know that we are going to start an academy, a Poda Academy, for those who want to learn how to do makeup. The lessons are going to be on 3 parts. Those who want to learn how to be a makeup artist, those who want to learn makeup for themselves. And then I'm going to be giving back to the community. So I'm going to be doing back to the community by doing like free lessons for underprivileged girls, but who are really passionate about makeup.